Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tia. I love filming fashion related content over here on YouTube. Now today I have a slightly different video for you guys. It's a luxury handbag unboxing. Not a true unboxing because I have used this handbag a couple of times, but I just haven't managed to film a video with it, and today I wanted to sit down and show you guys everything I love about this gorgeous YSL handbag. Yeah, and come and join the family if you aren't subscribed yet. I would absolutely love that. I love featuring a lot of fashion related content, lifestyles, vlogs over this channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. That really does help a little YouTuber out like me. And yeah, without further ado guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, a little bit of a backstory before I show you the handbag. I will leave timestamps here if you just wanted to skip to just see the handbag. Absolutely, go for it, feel free. But I just thought I'd give you a little backstory first. So I bought this handbag last year, sort of May 2022 time, and at that time I was prepared to buy it from the YSL website or the store. The store actually didn't have the color that I wanted. I wanted the dark natural color. It's this deep sort of nice tan color with gold hardware. I really loved that color, and I think that color goes well in the winter as well as summer, and I had a lot of black bags, so I didn't want to go for the black color, which is why I went for this dark natural color. Anyway, so I had to order it online. Then I actually found out that Farfetch does NHS discount, which I was so excited about. So then I actually ended up ordering on Farfetch. So great tip guys, if you are working in the NHS or emergency services, they do a 10% discount on this handbag. I will get into pricing in a little bit, but yeah, after I bought it, I literally didn't use it for months. Like, I was so scared to use it, and I think like the first or second time I used that bag, I wore it with this gorgeous blue suit for my sister's like law graduation ceremony. I'll insert a picture over here. It's on my Instagram as well. If you follow me over there, you probably have seen it. And I wore it with that blue suit, and I just didn't realize that the color, the dye would transfer from the blue suit onto the handbag, on the back of the handbag. At the end of the day, I was like so upset. I looked at my bag, at the back of it, it was all blue, and I'll try and insert some pictures of it here and how it did look at the time. I was so sad about it. Anyway, then I sort of had a little Google. I contacted the YSL store on Sloane Street, and they said, send us the bag or bring the bag in, we'll have a look at it. Now, luckily they had a look at it and it was repairable. They sent it to be cleaned, and they actually managed to get a lot of the dye off, and it pretty much looks almost as new. Like, you know, unless someone was to point it out to you, you wouldn't actually notice that there was any dye transfer. So they did an amazing job. So I've got high praises for YSL Sloane Street. So thank you, massive thank you to them. But yeah, so once that was then fixed, now I just feel happy I can now film my unboxing, because it was just, I had dye transfer and it was so upsetting, because you spend that much money on a handbag, you obviously don't want that to happen. So now I'm super careful, and I only wear it with similar colors, or if I wear it with dark colors, I will hold it rather than having it rub against my clothing or denim. Oh my god, denim is the worst. Do not wear it with denim. That's the only thing about light colored bags. I mean, it's not even light colored, but any kind of dry transfer, I guess, on dark to a lighter color, it's inevitable. So yeah, But I think what you can do is, I don't know if it's recommended, but I'm sure, you know, you can get those like waterproof protectors, like sprays on like onto leather goods. Please don't let me know down in the comments, how do you guys protect your luxury handbags? Because I would love to know, because I don't want to baby my handbag. I want to be able to use it on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, do let me know how you guys protect your handbags. So yes, back to the story. Yeah, luckily they got the dye out. I was so happy, and they actually sent it back to me. Now Farfetch do not do packaging, YSL packaging. It came in just a brown box. It came with the dust bag, but it did not come with the gorgeous Saint Laurent box like this. It didn't come with the box, it just came in like a generic box. It didn't come with the original Saint Laurent box and bag and everything. Like I did a full sort of a YouTube short on the full unboxing of it, but yeah, but when YSL sent the bag back to me, they actually gave it to me in one of their boxes, which I was so thankful for, because I was like, oh my god, Farfetch didn't give it to me in the box. And I know it's not a big deal, but you know, when you're paying that much for an item, you want to be able to store it in the box if you wanted to. You want the full experience, you know, for the money that price that you're paying for this luxury item. So yeah, I was really happy that I actually got the beautiful YSL hand box when YSL sent it back to me, because Farfetch does not. So yeah, that's a little backstory, guys, of the handbag, and yeah, let me get into the unboxing now. Okay guys, this is it. So this is the beautiful box that it comes in, and let me just open it up. It's got nice tissue paper here, as you can see. Excuse me. And there is the gorgeous bag in its dust bag. Now it did come with the dust bag, of course. If I just take it out of the dust bag and put the box down. Here is the dust bag, like so. And are you ready to see this gorgeous handbag, guys? Here it is, my absolute pride and joy. This is the YSL medium envelope bag in the mixed metallise embossed leather. This leather is so hard wearing, guys. I got it in the gold hardware, absolutely beautiful. The back is like so, and you can slot your phone in there. I can sort of get it in that way, and if I put it in the proper way around, it does kind of stretch this out a little. So I don't know if I'd do that on a long-term basis, but you can get your phone in there. I've got the Samsung S21, and you've got the Saint Laurent embossing as well on there. You can see on both of the straps. I love how the straps are leather, making it super comfortable to wear on your shoulder, and it has a beautiful chain that comes up like this. You can wear it like this, which is actually one of my favorite ways to wear it, just on the shoulder like this, or you can wear it on one shoulder with the strap like this, or you could do it crossbody as well with the long strap, but my favorite way probably is this. Or you can wear it as a clutch with all of the chain tucked in inside. So going inside the handbag, I'll try and do some cutaways of this if I can't show it here properly, but this is what it looks like inside. You can see it says Saint Laurent Paris there, and inside down there as well, and it's just a fully open space, which is absolutely great. This is the medium size, and I just think this is a perfect size for me because I like carrying quite a lot of things. I'll also show you guys what I fit in inside my bag, if that's useful for you guys to see how much you can actually store in this. It's a perfect day bag. It's also a perfect evening bag. You can fit so much in this, yet it's still kind of compact, and it looks nice crossbody or worn on the shoulder or as a clutch. I just think it's the perfect size to wear in all three different ways. So yeah, this is the inside. It also has a little inner pocket there, as you can see. That is where the authenticity card is. That's the authenticity card there. Yeah, I've had a look at it and I've just kept it in there to keep it safe. Yeah, that is really nice. So it's fully leather on the outside, all gold, and it's sort of fabric inside. So I was planning to get one of those like inserts from like eBay or Amazon. If you guys know any good ones, please do link it below for me. That'll be really helpful. But yeah, I love the shape of it. I love the quilting of it, and I can style it in so many different ways. You guys may have seen already over my Instagram how I've styled it, but I absolutely love this gorgeous handbag. Now, if we can talk about pricing, the current price for this handbag is £2,090. Now, when I purchased it, it was 1,720, but with the NHS discount on Farfetch, it actually came to 1,548. So I got £172 off, which is absolutely amazing. I love the fact that Farfetch did that. So this bag has gone up by £370 this year, which is insane. And as with all other luxury fashion houses, these prices will always be going up. Every year they'll have a price increase. So I would try and get this bag if you like it, you know, now, because they are an investment. If you're ever to sell, you may not get as much as you would, you know, for a Chanel handbag, but you will still get quite a lot for it, and the price is always going up for these bad boys. So I absolutely love this handbag. I will insert some clips on how I've styled it over on my Instagram, and some clips of me wearing it. And yeah, I'll show you guys what fits in this handbag now as well. Okay guys, I've just filled up my handbag with all the things I would normally need on a day out shopping, or going out for lunch with a friend, something like that. Okay, so let me just take out the items one by one. As you can see, this is what it sort of looks like with everything in it. So kind of full, still got a little bit of room. So first thing is my purse. It's not the thinnest of purses, you know, it's like, it is chunky. I keep all my cards in there. I keep my cash, a couple of receipts, some coins. So yeah, that's my purse. Then I keep a hand gel in there. This is turning out into a what's in my handbag. So yeah, next I love watching those videos, by the way. Let me know if you guys enjoy it too, like if you're nosy like me and you like seeing what other people keep in their handbags. Yeah, love seeing those videos. Okay, next thing I have is my hand cream. So this is the Moringa one from the Body Shop. Love how this smells. Next I have the lip gloss. This is literally a Primark lip gloss. It was literally £1.50. I featured it in my most recent Primark haul video. Love it. This is what I'm wearing today as well. And I've got a MAC lipstick here. This is the shade Taupe. So I've got a lipstick and a lip gloss. And I've got my headphones here as well. These are the wireless Samsung ones. And I've also got a little mini water bottle. Now, whenever anyone sees me with this little water bottle, they make fun of me. But how useful is it? It doesn't fit 500 mils. Okay, it's not a big water bottle, but it fits about 250 mils. And I got this on a plane journey during our honeymoon, and I just kept it because probably not the healthiest thing, but I really want to get a better one like this size. But it's perfect because it just fits like a little bit of water, which I need, and I can refill it when I want. So yeah guys, it also fits a water bottle. So let me put all that back in my bag so you can see it. Water bottle at the bottom, hand gel, hand cream, ooh, a little hair bubble, why not, lip gloss, lipstick, my headphones, and my purse. Ooh, almost forgot a little perfume. So I've got this little rollerball. This is the Fashionably London from ZARA. Love ZARA perfumes. Oh, love the way it smells. Let me just give it a smell. Oh my god, so good. So yeah, a little rollerball perfume also fits in. You could also fit in a little mini perfume, so that will go in nicely there as well. Yeah, that's what fits in my bag. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this YSL handbag unboxing. Please do let me know if you guys have this handbag yourselves, or you're thinking of getting the envelope handbag in this color or a different color. Let me know. Let's have a conversation in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. That would really help me out, and thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below for more content, and yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next video.